So we have my Persian mulberry here. This is a dwarf variety where the trunk is really low, which I really like. Someone wants to pick it, but so you see when it gets this dark and juicy, that's time to pick it. Oh no! Oops, you got it. Uh-oh. Okay. It does stain your hands. Let me try to find a different one. It does stain your hands. So I recommend gloves. Oh yeah, gloves when picking this variety. Here, you can have it. Apparently my son likes to eat it much faster than I can pick it. Oh, there you go. They're just so ripe that when I try to pick it, it just falls right down.
Mommy, I want.
What do you want?
I want to.
You already ate all of it already. The ripe ones.
I want to eat some more.
So we have Black Beauty here. I picked some of them already, so most of it we have to wait. It's also a dwarf variety. It's very similar to the Persian. There's not much difference at all. So review earlier about the Persian mulberry, and at that time it just started to ripen. It was mostly kind of a reddish black color like this. Oops, it falls down really quick. So that one, I wouldn't eat that one. It's quite tart, but surprisingly when it's like black, that's why it has another nickname as Black Beauty. This is when it's sweet and there's no tartness. Very juicy. Even that one, I think I would let it stay for another day until it becomes black, because it still has a little reddish tones to it. This will be extremely tart right there. And you can see, wearing gloves, it's very juicy. I think it would be nice to make a mulberry juice with these variety. So since it is a dwarf, it's quite a bountiful. They just fall off really easy, even when it's just red black, and it's not the best time to pick them unless they're black. So this is my updated review on this variety.